Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, let's change the slide sheet to blank. So the layout here, change it to blank, and then move on to the design tab. So from the design tab, we'll now customize the slide size. So we click here and click on A4, and leave it the landscape, and click on OK, and click on maximize. Alright, so now the first thing I would like us to do on the sheet here is to insert a rectangle shape. So to insert a rectangle shape, you can find the shapes here, the shapes under the insert tab. So from the insert tab, you see you can locate the shapes here. Just click on it and click on the rectangle right here. You just click on it and click once to insert, or drag to draw in order to insert. Alright, so with this one, let's move the outline. So with this shape, I want the properties of this shape to appear at the right side of our screen here. So to do that, simply right click on this one and click on format shape. The properties of it will appear here. So then click on fill here. Alright, so with this one, the color of it, I want us to use this one. So I'll gently align it here. Alright, so I will leave it this way. So with this shape, I'm not going to leave it this way. I want us to make some addition to it by editing the points of it. So to edit the points, we have under the shape format tab, which is right here, we have the edit shape here. Just come and click on it and click on edit points. You see the points has changed to 4 pointers, and they are all black in color. So with the first one, let's take this one here, so and send it to the back a little. Alright, so I'll now take this one and I'll send it to the back also. I'll click here. I see I clicked on it once, and you see when I click on it, two dots or 2 pointers also appear, and they'll all be square in shape. If I click on this one also, the same thing will appear or come out. So I'll go with this one and I'll take this one, click and hold and drag it inside. Alright, so with this one also, I'll take this one also and drag it inside like this. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So I'm leaving it this way. So I'm making another copy of it here. Alright, so I'm just making another copy by duplicating it. So how do you duplicate? You simply have to select the shape like this, press and hold the control key, use your left mouse button to click and hold, so and then drag out to duplicate. Alright, so with this shape, I want us to change the color to gradient fill. So you come to the presets, the preset gradient. Just click on it and click on this color right here. Alright, so the first color here, let's choose this one. The second color, okay, let's leave it and go to the third color with this one. Alright, so let me send it to the back. So let me bring this one out a little. Alright, so now let's go to the you see the shape has been selected again. I'm talking about the yellow, the one that we just did right now, the one with the gradient fill. So you see, as it's selected, we are again going back to the edit points. We are going to edit the points again. So we are only editing this one. So I'll simply click and hold it and bring it forward a little. So something like this is okay. Alright, so now I was saying, oops. So now I'll just click here so that it will be gone. I'll send it backwards. Bring it out a little. Alright, so with this shape, we are taking this one and we are making a copy here. So just gently rotate it like this and send this one also to this side. Alright, so I want us to do the same thing applies to the bottom. Alright, so let's send this one to the back and take this one also, make a copy here, rotate that one also as well, send this one also to this side bring it here. So we are sending this one also to the back. Alright, so now let's go to the insert tab. We are now going to start inserting the text box. So I have a text box here under the insert tab. Click on the text box and click here to insert it. So the first text that I want us to insert will be certificate. So you select it all this way, align it to the center. So the font here, we'll choose the Algerian, and the size will go with 54. So I'll gently align it here and make a copy here. So the same thing that we are doing to duplicate, I'm just using the control key to select and use my mouse to drag and drag around to make a copy. Alright, so with this one, we are changing the text to name and surname. Alright, so with this name and surname, just select it, come here, the font will be Edwardian script, and the size we are going with this one, and we are going with bold. Alright, so I'll bring it down here. Alright, so with this one, we are going to insert a shape here. So just simply go to the insert tab again, go with shapes. This is a rectangular shape, just click on it to insert it. Alright, so the outline, no outline. So the color of it, just click on the gradient field to use the gradient that we used earlier on. So inside here, let's insert a text with text of something like of appreciation. So you select it, come here. So the font of it, I'll choose area rounded, and the size, I'll make it 20. Alright, so I'll bring this one here again. So with this one, let's make a copy here by duplicating again. So let's change the font here to Calibri. The size, I'll go with 18. I'll remove the bold. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate a text for it here as the description of the certificate. So I want paragraph with 3 lines. Alright, so I'll just align it somewhere around here. So with this one, let's make a copy here and change this one to date. Select it and make it bold. So make another copy here. And this one will be the signature. Alright, so now I want us to go to the insert tab, go with shapes. We are going to insert a line here, a straight line here. So the width of it, we can change it to 2, and the color also will go with black. So I'm doing the same thing here by inserting another straight line here. So with this one, the width of it is 1.25, and the color will be black. Alright, so I'm just going to make a copy here. So with this one, let me gently align it to the center. So and then bring this one down a little. Alright, so this one, I'm just trying to position all of them well. So you can also do the same thing applies to yours if only you are not feeling the alignment of it. So the last thing I want us to do here is to insert a medal. So to insert a medal, I already have it in my device. So I simply have to go to this device. That's the insert tab. Go to pictures and this device. So which is right here. Just double click on it to insert it. Alright, so I'll reduce the size and place it here. But you can place it here also if you want, but I want it right here. Alright, so I want it right here. That, like I said, you can place it right here if only you want it there, but I want mine right here. Alright, so as you can see, our design looks nice and perfect, and we are done with it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.